Hello everyone! In this video, we will edit the products offered in our store. I have gone ahead and removed some items. Let me show you how. Click on the store element and select Edit Products. Now, all that's left to do is click on the cross symbol next to the item you wish to remove and confirm your choice. Alright, let's add our own products. In the Details section, set the item name, price, and discount. Now click on the pen icon next to the image. Remove the existing one, click Add New, and then Add New again. Select the images you want to upload. Click Apply, and apply one more time. Click on the pen icon to add the item type. Click Add Item and enter the item name. Click Add Option and click on the pen in the Type section. In the new window, click Add Item and set the item name, type, and options. Once done, click Apply and select the newly created type. Click Apply to save the type and Apply to save the product. Now we have our first ready product. Let's add a new product. Now with color variables, return to the list of items, select a different one and add the item name. Follow the same procedure as last time to add an image. Remove the old one, click Add New, and upload from your computer. Now fill out the item type information just like the last time and click on the pen icon. After adding a name, in the Type menu, select Color buttons. Click Add Option twice to add two colors, black and white. Use the pen to set the color. Set the type to color, name it, and click Apply. Select the matching item type from the drop-down menu on the product listing. Let's click on the Edit Variants button to set the individual pricing and discounts for the variants. Click Apply to finish up the second product. Alright, let us add the final product with option buttons. The process, for the most of the part, is the same. Firstly, we update the item name. Now, we upload a picture. Next, we create a new item type. And now we configure the field type. Make sure that the type option is set to buttons. We will have 3 representing a different number of yoga classes. In the Item Type menu, select the newly created type for classes. Now, to wrap up, let's edit variants to set individual class pricing. We are done. We have 3 different products in a matter of a few minutes. Let's preview the page to make sure everything looks great. Also, please note that each time you preview the page, your progress gets saved as a draft automatically. Everything looks amazing. Let's continue our work in the next video as we come closer to launching our shop.